In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Instagram Shop with Shopify. This process connects your Shopify store to Instagram so customers can discover and shop your products right from Instagram. Before you start, make sure you are logged into your Shopify store and that you can access your Shopify admin dashboard without any restrictions. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You will usually see a left-hand menu and a variety of sections across the dashboard. The goal here is to reach the area where sales channels and app integrations are managed, because that is where the Instagram Shop connection will be set up. Next, click Settings. In most Shopify admin views, you will find a gear icon in the bottom left corner. Click that gear icon to open the Settings panel. This step matters because Shopify uses the Settings area as the central location for connecting services. If you are not seeing the gear icon right away, slightly resize your browser window or make sure you are in the main admin dashboard view. After you open Settings, you will want to go to the Sales Channels section. Look for the option labeled Sales Channels within the Settings area and click it. This is where Shopify manages which platforms your store can sell on. Think of sales channels as the bridge between your Shopify products and places like online stores, social media, and marketplaces. Now, within Sales Channels, click Shopify App Store. This will take you to Shopify's App Marketplace, where you can find integrations that help connect your Shopify store to other platforms. You want to be in the Shopify App Store area because it ensures you are installing the official and compatible connection for Facebook and Instagram. Once you are in the Shopify App Store, search for the term Facebook and Instagram. Use the search bar to type that phrase, then run the search. After the results appear, look through them carefully to find the app named Facebook and Instagram. Make sure you select the correct integration, since you will be using it to connect products to Instagram for shopping features. Next, click Install. This is the step where Shopify begins adding the app to your store. Depending on your browser and Shopify settings, you may be prompted to confirm permissions or provide authorization. If you see an option to proceed, go ahead and continue so the installation can finish. During this part, it is important not to close the page, because the installation needs time to complete. Maurid. After the installation starts and finishes, you should be able to see the app connection inside your sales channels or connected apps area. At this point, your store is ready for the next stage of setup that typically involves connecting Instagram and configuring which products are available for shopping. Now, before you move on, take a moment to confirm you are seeing the Facebook and Instagram apps successfully in your Shopify setup. If anything looks missing or the installation did not complete, simply return to the Sales Channels and Shopify App Store area and try the install again, making sure you select the correct app name. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.